So here we are riding the new Scram, which a lot of people were not very satisfied with. But to my understanding, it's been quite a versatile unit, so to say. It's lighter, and I feel it's much more agile. एंड ट्रैफिक में मनूवर करने का तो अलग ही मज़ा है इसका. एंड यू नो दी स्मॉल चेंजेस दैट यू सी आर सो रिच एंड सो विविड दैट from the instrument cluster, like you guys know, I ride a Interceptor and I like it, but starting from an Interceptor console to this, they could have easily changed it to a better instrument cluster, but they obviously did not. I don't know, for whatever the reason was. So this, guys, is my favorite route, or I must say it's the most accessible route. और ये paved है with some turns and it's a single way. Okay, so here is the thing, like you guys already know how important I feel. I mean, how I feel about ergonomics and how much weightage I give to control while riding bikes. Now just picture that and see how maneuverable and controllable this bike is. I am literally slicing through traffic. And you know how brawly the North Indian traffic is. They just run you over from whatever side that they get. But if you wanna really, it's too noisy now. I'm just gonna slow down a bit. So from roads to turns to touring to off-road and even to up, this is quite a versatile unit to live with. See, I started my journey of Royal Enfields with a classic, okay, and you see how precise this is working. You can also go off-road and come back to the road. That's how versatile it is, baby. My Interceptor is a very road-worthy unit. This, on the other hand, bro, this is sublime. See, it can take up speeds up to 100, 120, not with ease, but yes, 80 is its mark. 80 is what this bike lives for. 80 is what it can handle. Beyond that is a stretch and it is stress for the engine. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस चैसी में 650 सीसी इंजन देना चाहिए था. एंड कंफर्ट की बात करें तो यार ऑनेस्टली आई एम इन लव यार. आई थिंक आई एम ग्रोइंग ओल्ड और व्हाटएवर. दिस इज कंफर्टेबल यार, फ्रॉम फुट पेग्स to the whole ergonomics reaching up to the handlebar. It's nice. I think with this kind of a bike you would require a smaller tank bag. This is a big tank bag for this tank because it is what it is. It's a big tank bag. Now in the traffic it worked phenomenally well. I did not expect it. It was so maneuverable. At least 100 times more maneuverable than the Interceptor. That's because it's all upright. The upright ergos are so nice. And roads हो या ना हो, इसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये टॉप जाएगी भाई. Honestly, if you want one bike that can do it all in this price segment, this is it. It's not gonna just do it all, it's gonna do something more than that. Okay, I usually stop or take a break for these bumpy roads, but not on this. This is flattening the bumps. Like इसको कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता यार. It's just bouncing over them, and that was the first part. क्या बात बताएं आपको. See this, we will make a verdict of it and then I will share it with you guys, but you can understand how this is performing. I'm so confident. I moved over from a different bike, but trust me, I am confident on it. Like, I know how it is behaving. I know how the suspension is bouncing. I really like the suspension bounce that it has. काफ़ी entertaining बाइक है. हाँ, इंटरसेप्टर जितनी पावर नहीं है, बट इस पैसे में मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. इतनी किलर पैकेज मुझे लगता नहीं है मार्केट में. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि what is that other bike, the Impulse. I think that is a bit lighter and you know, in order to flatten the curve, not the Corona curve, the, you know, when it just slices the roads and also, you know, takes goes very nicely from the bumps, and that makes all the difference in this bike.
So in the end guys, एक टेस्ट ड्राइव तो बनता है, और जाओ और चला के देखो कि ये बाइक आपको क्या फील देती है. एंड ऑन दिस स्क्रैम्बलिशियस नोट, दिस इज़ अ कपल ऑफ राइड्स साइनिंग ऑफ.